Atlantic Canada continues to lag the rest of Canada in terms of economic performance, but momentum has actually improved a little bit this year. In fact, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and PEI combined could see the best pace of economic growth in 7 years this year, though admittedly still very subdued compared to most of its peers. Population growth is leading support through two channels. First of all, with Western Canada's oil sector no longer booming, the heavy flow of outward migration from Atlantic Canada has stopped. And at the same time, international immigration has actually ramped up, with many new Canadians landing in the Atlantic provinces. In fact, population growth among these three provinces rose at the strongest pace since the mid-1980s last year. Still less than 1%, so we'd hardly call it a boom, but it's certainly better than the outright declines that we saw through much of the past decade. That has supported consumer spending in the region and led to higher residential construction activity in some markets. The number of units under construction in Halifax, for example, right now is the highest level in 40 years. Fiscal stimulus is also injecting some growth through large-scale capital projects. The weak spot, though, remains Newfoundland and Labrador, which continues to struggle with lower oil prices and fading near-term production and investment prospects. Employment continues to fall in that province and recently hit the lowest level in almost a decade, and that has left the jobless rate still at the highest level in the country. So overall, we're seeing pockets of strength, but also some weaknesses in Atlantic Canada, and that's often the norm in the region.